Hey guys, welcome back to Triple R Backyard Grilling. For today's video, we're going to be doing smoked boar's head bologna. So now let's go inside and get things smoking. Alright, hey guys, here we are. We're back inside the Triple R kitchen on another beautiful day. For today's cook, like I said, we have the boar's head bologna. So it's going to be simple, easy, fast. Like I said, we're going to smoke it for about 2 hours. So it's not that big. It's probably about a 3-pound bologna log, if you want to call it. So simple, mustard and my dry rub seasoning. So first thing is we're going to do is we're going to score it all the way around. I'd say about a 1/4 of an inch, just all the way around. Just as it cooks, it'll open up, and it'll give the meat a little bit more flavor as it opens up with that dry seasoning and the mustard. We'll do one more on the tail end. And back in the day, this is what me and my brothers and my dad, this is what we grew up on bologna. Our favorite is Bar S, but the boar's head, you know, you gotta live a little. So Dad, guess what? This bologna's for you. So let's get going. So now, we got the mustard. We'll get that put on there. And this is just to help the dry rub stick a little bit better. So, and like I said, it's only 3 pounds, so it's not that big. So we got that there. And this is gonna take my glove off real quick. Get that. Now my dry rub. You can go heavy, you can go light, but for me, I prefer to go a little bit heavy. Just take it all the way around. Put it on the flat side. And you can't forget the best part of the face. As you can see, it's pretty heavy there. So we got that there. That's pretty good. Roll it just to get that extra dry rub in there. So now we're gonna go check on our fire, and we're gonna probably be smoking at about 250, 225. And once we're there, we're gonna go ahead and put it in there, smoke it for about 2 hours, and then we'll come back and we'll get it checked out. And then don't forget, we're gonna slice it, and then we're gonna go back and we're gonna sear it, and then we're gonna throw it on the sandwich. And it's gonna be great. 3 S's, don't forget. So we'll be back. Alright guys, we're probably running about 225, 230. So now we're ready to put the bologna in there and let it smoke. So here we go. Just leave it in there, let it do its thing for about 2 hours. And then we'll take it out, and like I said, and then we're gonna cut a piece off, and then we're gonna sear it. Alright guys, we've had the boar's head bologna for about 2 hours on the smoker, so now we're going to get rid of it. We're going to pull it out, take it inside, cut it up, and then get ready to get it seared. So let's take it inside. All right, let's go inside. All right, guys. Here we have the boar's head bologna. We just took it off the smoker. It's been smoking for about 2 hours. Man, the smokiness, you can smell it. It smells great. So now we're gonna go ahead and slice it, and then once we get it sliced, I got my pan. It's getting ready to get nice and hot, and we're gonna sear it. But let's go ahead and get it cut first. Guys, you can cut this any thickness you want. We like ours a little bit thicker, so. You know, we're just gonna go probably about like that. Should be good. Like I said, we like the the thick slices. So as you can see, we have it cut there. So we're gonna go ahead and get this ready. And like I said, the pan's getting hot. We're gonna sear it. So like I said, we'll go outside, get it seared. We'll see you guys back here in a minute. Okay, we just flipped the bologna slices over, getting them seared. We're gonna sear the other side. I already put the Colby Jack cheese on one side, and then we have the other slices that we're gonna put on there. So now we're just gonna let it melt, and then we'll get them inside and we'll get it prepped up and we'll be ready to go. All right, here we are. We're back inside. Here we have the final product. We had the bologna slices. We had them seared, and we melted this little bit of a Colby Jack cheese on there. It smells great. It smells wonderful. Like I said, gonna make the sandwich. We're gonna put it together. I like mine with mustard. Just add that there. Add a little bit of lettuce. Also the tomatoes. Out there. And I'm gonna go with this middle slice. Cheese there. Looks great. Gonna top it. Now, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut it in half. Oh, looks wonderful. So now, go take a bite of it and see what it tastes like. Wow. Brings back memories back in the old days. Like I said, Dad, this sandwich for you. Love you. Hey, if you guys like this recipe, let us know. Hey, hit that comment button and also subscribe. All right? You guys be safe. Have a great weekend. We'll see you next round. Hey guys, welcome back to Triple R Backyard Grilling. For today's video, we're gonna be doing smoked boar head bologna loaf. So here we are. You can fix to put the loaf in here. So